Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case, which is the Magfit with MagSafe, and this is gonna be the white version. So as you can see, it's a Spigen Ultra Hybrid, and this is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, so here we go. Regular stuff on the box, and as you can see, this is a white, so it's listed here on the box. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. Regular stuff as usual. It's in the plastic here. Let's go ahead and take this out, put that aside, and here we got the Ultra Hybrid Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. This is with the Magfit and with the white strip at the back here. Right here, as you can see, you got your charging port, the USB-C cutout for your charging and data transfer. You got your speaker grill cutout here. We got the volume up and down and the action button here, because there's no more cutout here since we no longer have a silent switch on the newer model iPhone. And we got the power button here on the right, and as you can see, there's 4 little stubs right here for shock absorption when it falls on the corners, and you can hear it. It's pretty hard, not too soft, little bit of flex. Okay, so let's go ahead here and rip the plastic off, put it on the phone and see how it looks. All right, let's go ahead and slap this on the phone. There we go. Fits nice and snug. Beautiful. So that's how it looks from the back here. You see the MagSafe strip here on the back. We got cutouts here, nice and neat at the bottom, or power button here on the right. Let's click that, see how it feels. Feels very responsive. You don't have to put too much pressure. I know on some of the previous cases that I had before with the older model iPhones, some of the speaking, you gotta hit this button really hard, but now really nice and soft, pretty responsive. You got the volume up and down button here, feel nice and clicky as well. The action button is gonna be right here, and as you can see, the camera bump cutout is really nice and neat, pretty precise. It has a little lip here, so when you put the phone down on the back, it protects your cameras if it falls on a flat surface, hopefully. And then at the back here, you can see these little stubs. If I hold it at an angle here, you can see them, like this one right here at the corner and this one down here. You got them on all 4 corners on the back here. So when your phone goes down on the back, it's pretty stable. If it's on a flat surface, it's not too wobbly. It sits right on those 4 stubs. And then also, looking at the top here, you see a little notch cut out here for the speakers, so it's not all the way flat across. It's a little notch that goes in, and it looks really nice, not too bulky, and it offers great protection at the same time. So this is how it looks. Got your MagSafe strip at the back, really nice and beautiful here, and it shows off the color of your iPhone. So depending on what color you have and you want to show that color off, you don't have to use it without a case. You can always get one of these cases, the clear one, and it pops right through it. Nice and beautiful. Okay, so if you're in the market looking for one of these cases, hopefully this video helps you out in making your decision, and I'll have the link for this case posted in the description below, so you can go ahead, click the link and make your purchase there for this case. All right, so thank you for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on this channel. Peace.